So I'm reading this article right now from DTI stating that the no video, no refund policy is illegal. Nagpasimuno na tong policy na to is online sellers sa mga e-marketplace platforms. Usually, ginagawa hindi nindikit yan sa mga parcels. Ang ginagawa is kapag pagtanggap mo ng parcel, kailangan mag-record ka agad o pagtanggap ng parcel hanggang sa pag-open ng parcel. And kapag may nakita na defective, then tsaka i-consider for replacement or for refund. So according to DTI Assistant Secretary, that the no return, no refund or exchange policy falls under deceptive, unfair, and unconscious sales acts or practices. My thought on this as an online seller, I think it is unfair nga talaga as a buyer kung hindi ka nag-video tapos defective ang item, then hindi pwedeng payagan to for replacement or for refund. I think that's completely unfair and tama si DTI dito for saying that. I think there's slight misinterpretation here because sa side naman ng online seller, the main reason kung ba't nagkaroon ng ganong policy in the first place is because yung mga nasi-ship out kasing parcels sometimes kapag napapadala and na re-return to seller ang packages, either kulang or napapalitan. The no video, no refund policy is a safeguard para sa mga online sellers to make sure that the item is not tampered. Pagka-ship out namin ng parcels, usually dumadaan yan sa maraming logistics. Like from the start, we have the first mile pickup, tapos dumadaan yan ng mga warehouses. Then we have the last mile delivery. Dumadaan yan sa maraming kamay. And sometimes nga may parcels na nanakawan ang laman and or napapalitan.